Welcome to the Fortune of the Forgotten World. This is the very first box ever made from GameCrafter.com. I've never ordered from them before, so this is going to be an experience opening. It looks pretty well packed, tracked and insured, priority mail. It arrived in 5 days, pretty fast. I'm guessing it's in good shape. I don't see too many bends in the boxes. All right, let's give it a try and see what's inside. Definitely the box. All right. Here we have it. Fortune of the Forgotten World. Wow. Okay, so this is already a little bit unexpected. The box has like a top section and a bottom section. I did not design for the bottom lip. I only designed for the top lip. So I guess I didn't fully understand the template that they gave me. But it is otherwise perfect. The printing is really good. The only problem is this is the old artwork. I must have queued for production prior to getting the new artwork. So that'll be interesting. But let's see if the pieces on the inside are going to be updated. Probably not. I'm guessing this is all going to be old. So this is not V1. This is the alpha version. Still cool to have. The bottom artwork looks really good. Print quality looks good. It's definitely shrink wrapped. All right, let's go ahead and cut this open and see what we have. Good quality artwork. Or print-wise, it's very shiny. I like that, real shiny. And the box, okay, all right. Here is the contents of the box. Over the packaging. So we have the 2 dice. We have our tiles, laser cut. I can see like some, like they said, carbon scoring sort of thing on there. More tiles. These are the character cards right here. Items in life. Here are the event cards and the aid cards, both in the same package. There are 36 aid cards and 54 event cards, so that's a good pile. We have the booklet, Fortune of the Forgotten World rulebook. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, so quick start guide, really nice white printing. Yeah, this is quality. That is just a beautiful book. The binding's really good. Pages are good. Flavor art looks gorgeous in here. Nice. Yes, this is fantastic. I love it. All right, cool. So let's see the board. The board. It's a quad fold. Ah, yeah. Wow, this is a bit of a small board. Not bad, not bad. I guess that's sort of a standard size playing board. Yeah, that's pretty killer. So one thing I can see right off the bat that is going to be less than ideal with this alpha printing is that the tiles that they printed are 1.25 inch and the hexes are 1 inch. You know what? I'm wrong. It actually matches up pretty well. It looked like the tiles were too big, but I would say that is actually a really good match. So these are our carnivores. We also have herbivores, and items are in here as well. Wow, these are fantastic. I love this. This is great. So I can keep all of these pieces because these are all the same version as the V1. All I need is a new box for the new artwork, and we're good to go. So there are 138 of these tiles. As a matter of fact, there might be more of them because I don't use all of these, I don't think. Let's check this run. One of these tiles is the all-important prize money right here. That's the guy. That is what you are after in this game. If you find that prize money and you find a raft off the island, the game is yours. So, I did leave 4 tiles unprinted. I didn't need them, and that way if you damage or lose the prize money, you can just use a Sharpie or something and print prize money on here. Or if you have a really cool idea for house rules a new item or something that you might want, you can print that on there and distribute it. So notice I am getting black marks on my fingers here. This is just the carbon scoring from the laser printing. Because these are UV coated, this wipes right off, so the tiles are not affected, but it does wipe off onto your fingers, so be aware of that. Here are the rafts. These are the decoys. Looks pretty cool. Wow. So we start with the rafts on here, and the dino tiles will be distributed, prize money amongst them. Wow, this is fantastic. Oh, here are the player tokens. Okay, really nice, bright player tokens. Here's our celebrity, here's our cook. Put on a start here. So the hexes are a little bit oversized. If you had two next to each other, they're going to compete just a touch for space. So let's say if I printed out all of these players, put them all on the board, it is going to be tight. But I don't think that should be a problem for this game. There should be a little bit of breathing room on the game board. I think this is pretty sweet. I think this is all that we need. Here, let's test out some of the player cards here. Here's one player card. This is our pro athlete. And one of these tiles in here should be our life markers. Here we are, ratings and life. So, life for this pro athlete starts at 10, and the ratings starts at 10 as well. Athlete is popular. So this is what the setup is going to look like at the beginning. And should this person pick up any items, such as this med kit, we'll put it on item number 1. Let's see if we can find it. Oh, here we go. Pistol, and if the pistol were to have 4 bullets in it, we would have the arrow pointing to 4. There we go. Ah, this is fantastic. I love it. So the character cards are cool. They're female on one side. If you flip it over, male on the other side. And really all the stats are the same and everything. It's just your preference if you want to play someone from a different nation or a different gender. Double-sided. Man, this is very good quality. Let's check out the cards. This is the last thing. Cards are nice and heavy. Really nice, shiny. I like that. 8 cards in one stack and event cards. The separation's right here. Although that should be more aid cards. I bet you they are mixed in. So you will have to go through separating the event cards. It looks like they printed a couple of different runs of this, and each run was interspersed. So the backs of these cards look really good. I have yet to see the front. Okay, now the front of the event cards, probably not very exciting. The front of the event cards really is just meant for reading. There's green text for events that do occur. There are red text for events that do not occur. There is gray for conditional events. So the idea here is, let's try a shuffle. The inaugural shuffle of the event text. Yeah, that is really quite nice. Oh, these are very professional. They are poker-sized or bridge-sized cards, so they're very comfortable in the hand. So the idea is, you would say, is there an event? No, there's not. It's red. Next player, is there an event? No. Conditional event? Yes, they're in the jungle. And if it is a positive event, you flip and read the next card. The next card says run for it. The current player may move to the nearest dino tile within 3 hexes. All right, so that's how the event deck works. Let's take a look at the aid. These are like prizes that help you in gameplay. Not too bad. I think the notepad on here is a little blue. I might try and color correct that to put some orange in there and warm it up a little bit, but it's not bad. I might actually just take a second pass at the artwork, but for V1 this is not too bad. Printing is gorgeous. Really nice resolution on this. And very clear text to read as well. Ooh, there's a backpack. Look at that. Now I can carry 4 items. I love it. Printing's pretty consistent. This is definitely a darker color than this, but it is pretty consistent. Yep, surprise attack. Player immediately places 1 new dino tile under any one opponent. So if that's my opponent, I can pick a dino tile at random. That's it, under my opponent, and then they have to contend with that on their next turn. Very, very cool. All right, so we're gonna have to do another video with the setup of this game because this is pretty fantastic. I like that it comes in bags as well. We even have bags for the character cards. So we can keep these nice and organized when we put them away. All these tiles, we could probably just dump them in this big bag here or maybe split it. Yep, I'm impressed. I think this is great. So thank you to the Game Crafters. This is a fantastic run. I hope your game arrives in just as good condition. I'm going to have to wash my hands, I think, on this first run, but maybe wiping these down with a rag or something is a good idea. Other than that, I'm looking forward to getting updated box art, and then I can call this the very first game printing of the Fortune of the Forgotten World. All right, very exciting. Thank you.